It's really not a big pool. It's
bigger than this.
it's a swimmer's
Yeah, but it's
pool.
bigger than this.
Yeah, I
as
know.
long as these sides are going to be up, they'll be fine.
Yeah. Still got to get in it.
Well, we're not going to let them go out here without us.
Right.
She's going to be out here too, and so am I.
Be nice. Be a nice little wading pool.
Well, yeah.
Probably got to stay pretty warm.
Well, even if it don't, that's fine. It doesn't have to stay really warm. It just has to be not freezing cold.
Right. Well, no, not being way out here. And then we got that 30-foot pool cover.
Well, yeah.
That you take and put right over the top of the. It'll cover the whole pool.
Yeah,
that's
and
30
that's what
feet.
we're going to need to do with it.
Yep, and it'll go right over the top of the pool. We don't have to worry about the kids getting in it when we're not here.
We cover it, and then that ain't doing it, is it?
What?
That.
Doing what?
It's holding out about a foot.
I know. Fortunately, but.
Does the other side do the same thing?
What's that? It's going to be level. The pool is going to be level across when it's done. So. Around 2 feet. About there.
Yeah, but what I'm asking is, does that side go out about a foot from the colored?
Yeah. Does it from the colored?
Yeah.
No, once it comes up, it's about that way.
Yeah, so neither one of them are centered.
Right.
Doesn't matter. As long as it's taller, it don't make a difference.
Right. Just not.
Honey, it ain't got to be perfect. It's just got to be bigger and full.
Yeah, bigger than full.
Bigger and full.
Bigger than full.
So I can sit in it with them. It's got to get full.
You ain't gonna want to get in that anyway. It's 50-degree water.
It's got to get full.
And it's got to get warmer.
And we got to get it all the way up to the top, and then it's got to get warm. But here's the thing. That, you two both need to listen. Zeke, look at me. You and Josette never, ever come down here without a grown-up. And that means either me or Mommy or Papa Dana.
Sneaking out at night.
You don't come down here without me or Mommy or Papa Dana.
Zette, fill that water, Zette.
The reason it looks...
Put your hand in that water.
Yeah,
Put your hand in the water.
as it fills, I know, it's going to stand up, which I didn't know it was going to stand up as it filled.
A little cold, huh? Yeah.
Chris is sitting there too.
Wait, which one is the deep side?
What?
Which one is the deep side where you go and get
When it gets full, you'll know.
It'll be deep over here.
No, it'll be deep over here. It'll be deep on all sides, probably. That side slanted.
Yeah.
It'll be deeper over here.
This is gonna get the most water.
Come down this way, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's gonna be shallower there.
If the water's going to come this way, it's going to be deeper over here. If the water's going to slant this way, it's going to be deeper over here than over there. No, do not take those. We need those.
No, put them right down. Put them down there. Those are the plugs for the. Put them on the tarp. Put them on the tarp.
No.
On the tarp.
On the tarp.
On the silver thing, right there.
I'm just going to fall into it right now. It's fucking hot.
You want to feel that water?
Go ahead and take your shoe off and put your foot in.
Yeah.
Better than the 90 degrees weather. Can I do it?
Yeah, put your foot in there and see what happens.
You guys have got to give them here because they're not toys. I need those. Those go to the pool. You can't play with them. Nana needs these. If I don't have them, then we didn't do what we need to do. And it was a waste of money.
Oh, we're gonna put a we're gonna put a tarp down here so you can take all your stuff off and get in and out. So you're not bringing the grass in it
And
constantly.
he's gonna ask Olivia if she's still got his covered awning, and he's gonna put it right over there for you and I with a couple chairs.
And pop up and go up and sit right
We'll be
underneath
able
the.
to sit right under there in the shade.
I guess you need a bathing suit, Joe,
Why?
because you don't have one.
I guess you need shorts and a shirt until we go to Salvo and find one.
You have a bathing suit.
You do?
Yeah,
We'll find one at Salvo.
You don't have one that fits you anymore. His fits him still.
Won't be that hard.
Can I put my fan though?
Oh yeah, they'll still. It can be full and they'll still.
Mom,
That's what I said.
Because he's tall enough.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Well, I just see Dana lift it up and it'll go about here on him, but it'll still be okay.
He'll be all right. He's got water wings, and I'm buying him the things to go around their waist. And they aren't going to be out here without us.
Well, that's what I said.
So he'll be fine.
Can we put my
Should add that down here at this end. But
He'll be fine.
It'll take forever to fill.
Couple hours.
Yeah.
This can
1,400 gallons.
Did you put the additive in it?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that here.
Stop playing with it.
Don't pull on it anymore, guys.
Stop playing with it, because you guys are making the water come out.
It'll work. It'll be okay. Papa Dana's got it all done.
What is?
That's where the hose is. It's
No,
alright.
what's on the bottom?
That's just the bottom. It's alright.
Hey, where's under the pool?
Grass.
Is it coming
Oh, I thought you did.
Oh, grass from the tarp. That's all it needed. I just didn't want it.
That'll pop it?
No,
Okay.
no, it's on the grass. That's why I wanted carpet on the concrete. So I didn't want it.
Mom, I'm going to
Hold
the
to
deep
it.
side.
Well, this is what we wanted to surprise you kids with, but surprise got blown when you saw it out the window, so.
Your
Oh.
mom's electric.
There's the other big kid.
Papa, can we put button? You know, I called you
You did?
like 3 times.
Hi.
Hi, you know what answer?
What'd you need?
I needed help.
Okay, what's wrong?
I had every single dog with wags in my bed on top of me. I needed
Oh,
your
yeah.
help.
Wax?
No, Zeke. I said butt wags.
No, Zeke! No, you gotta leave it alone.
Is that as high as it gets?
No.
Yeah, Alexis. That's all we
No,
got.
look.
So it's kind of
See?
small.
Look, it goes up to there. See? It's just gotta get filled up.
It's gonna be.
All right. Well, we're gonna go down and take a look. That's been. I get home about 4. Go home about 3:30. I might have started the water around 4. And it's now about 7. And I was looking at it earlier, and I shut it off about 7:30. So this is where we're at. I figured it out. Total depth right here is about 22 inches. Right here, deep in water. That's about 19. And I measured down. You can see along here from the white into the blue. Out here, lost about a foot. So as you can see, it's right on the upper lip. So kind of important. So as we can see, it probably had about a foot drop. And as far as level was concerned, from the top, about a foot low. So, but what are you gonna do? It's decent weighting. If you sit on the bottom, it's gonna be probably gonna be over your head. So kids are gonna have a ball in it. It'll definitely go to their waists. And did make it a little bit oblong, perfectly round. Main thing is the suction side of the pump is in the water, and then it comes out. So this will be filtering the water like it should. We're gonna let it. Water's about 50 degrees because it came right out of the ground. So here we are. There's your $99 wading pool, 12 feet in diameter. I think the kids will have a ball. It's not, it's not a adult pool, it's a kids pool, but if you remember when you were little, going back to places that you were at when you were a kid, they seemed massive, didn't they? But you come back as an adult and like, wow, can't believe how small it actually was. So to a 3 and a 4-year-old, that pool is massive. So anyway, we'll make a decent wading pool. Next year I'll see if I can find a better location. And when the kids are gone, the dogs can go swim, huh? Huh? What do you think? Wanna go swim? He says, heck no. It'll definitely be an easy way to wash you, huh? Huh? Yeah. Alright. Alright, we're good. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. We'll see how this lasts up over the summer. That is the BestWay Fat Set pool. 12 foot. Comes with a pump. And it does have a reset. And now that's your boy, get out of there. Reset. And the pump is pumping. You can see the water coming out of there. And the water's coming in through here, filtering. And then it's right about, just about the top of the water. And that does have a safety system to it. If it gets wet, it'll automatically kick out. So it probably took me an hour by myself to get it ready. And then again, you really need a level location. It took about 4 hours to fill. It probably would take a little bit longer had we had the extra foot of water we could have. So anyway, Pooey, get out of there. You doof. You doof. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you've got one. And subscribe and share. And we'll catch you on the next.